Hey lovelies, it's your girl Lovely V123 and I'm back with another tutorial for y'all today. But first guys, I need all of you to look below, click that subscribe button so you're alerted to all the new videos coming up weekly that I have for y'all. And guys, today I'm gonna show y'all how I achieve this quick, sleek, 5-minute, super easy professional bun that I do. This style's super quick, super easy, anyone can do it, so stay tuned. Alright y'all, my hair is kind of a mess. It's dry, it looks busted, it's raggedy. I want my edges to be super slick. I have my spray bottle here. Alright y'all, so I'm using my spray bottle of water just to spray it all throughout my head. I'm making sure I get them edges, spraying them with water, and especially concentrating on the center part of my head. I do have 4A, 4B hair, and you need to saturate that hair to make sure it can slick down. So that's what I'm doing. Okay. Echo Styler. I will be putting some of the green Echo Styler on my head. Alright y'all, so I'm using that green Echo Styler gel. I am being super generous, don't be scared. Get as much of that Echo Styler gel as you need to slick them edges, pull it all back. Woo! That's slick. I also put JC's Instant Control Edge Control. This stuff, the truth. This stuff right here keeps your edges laid and slick. All right, y'all, now I'm just brushing in all of that gel and edge control, slicking down them edges, making sure I'm swooping them edges and also pushing out some of them little baby hairs. Hey. All right, guys, so now I'm just getting a regular basic hair tie, making sure my hair is all slicked down, and then just tying my hair up quickly with this hair tie. And I like to kind of put it not too low, the ponytail, because I want to leave space for the bun that I'm about to create, and just tying that up as tight as I can. Ooh, come on, edges. Bam, do y'all see this? Ooh, yes. Okay. Sorry. I'm excited about that, y'all. All right. What we're going to do is get the back. And what I do, the very tail end, put a little twist at the bottom like this. And then you're going to roll it up into a low bottom bun. Okay. Here's the twist. And then we're just going to start rolling it up. I don't know if you can see that. You probably couldn't. We're going to roll it up. I have the twist here. And then what I'm going to do is roll it up on itself, tucking it under, using my fingers to tuck it under. And we're going to pin it up. All right. And any stray hairs, just tuck and pin. So I'm using a bobby pin to tuck it under and pin it. Let's get another bobby pin. Here we go. Bam! Okay, and for it to be extra secure, I like to put a bobby pin on the other end too that I roll. And like if you're having any extra pieces flying out or away, again, just tuck it in. Okay, so this is really secure. This is what your bun will look like in the back. Again, I'm tucking pieces in to make sure it looks good. So now that I'm done with the bun and it looks all sleek and stuff, for my edges to stay and to kind of be set, I'm going to put my scarf on. Okay, I'm gonna leave this on for a few minutes and I'll be back with the final result. Okay, lovelies, I'm back. I've taken off the silk scarf to set my hair at the top, and bam, y'all, these edges are laid. My edges look so good. It's so sleek. So I'm just gonna show y'all kind of a 360 view sort of my hair at this point. Of course, I put my makeup on and my clothes for work, you know, looking professional. So this is the top portion of my head. It's really slicked down, as you can see. I'm going to do a side view. Okay, and then I'm going to show y'all the back. All right, guys, that's it. This was super quick, super easy, literally about 5 minutes to do or less, you know, depending on how quick you are. But generally, this is super quick, super easy. Y'all, thank you so much. Remember to comment, like, subscribe. Thank you. If you have any questions, please comment and leave them below. Until next time, lovelies. Bye.